Hello, Abatan Sheriffdeen of Excel Island here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert and edit comments in Excel. Comment is a great feature in Excel that most people don't really know about. Comment allows you to share information and exchange information between you and your team using a particular worksheet, or even between you and your boss or a customer. Comment is just like your old sticky notes, and one great thing is that comment don't really have to be like a sticky note. Comment can be in form of a shape, picture, or even just like a normal social media chat in Excel. Yeah. So if you look at my worksheet, you can see some red icon or some red shape in my cell, in these cells. So those are comments. That's how you know there is a comment in a particular worksheet. If you look over here, this is just like a normal chat, a social media chat, or your social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and so on. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert and edit 4 types of comments in Excel. But before we get started, if this is the first time on my channel and you love to be a Microsoft Excel Pro with still to the point tutorials, consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell to know when I drop new content. So let's jump into Microsoft Excel and insert and edit some comments. Hello there, so welcome back from the short break. So as I was saying earlier on before the short break, so I have a comment here, a comment here, a picture comment, and a conversation comment here. So to insert a comment in Excel, all you have to do is go to the View tab on your ribbon bar. But one thing about me, I like using a shortcut a whole lot of time. So the shortcut to insert the comments is just select any cell and press Shift F2. Boom. So the comment, a sticky note types of comment pops up. So from this sticky note, we can edit and format it into any types of comment, the shape and the picture types of comment. So let's just type here, hello. This is a new product. Boom, and I'm done. So when I hover my mouse over that cell, you can see the comment shows up. So to edit a comment, just select that cell again and press Shift F2. Boom, then you can edit that. I'll just select the border of the sticky note or the comment, or right click it and I format comment. So I'm going to format it into a shape types of comment. So when I click format comment, the format comment dialog box pops up. So let's come to colors and lines. Let's change the color, so we need to say a dark green. Let's go back to the fonts. I'll just select any font. Let's go with calibra body. I'll make it bold. Let's make the text white and I click OK. Boom, you see the comment is just like this comment here. You can see so the same. So let's change these types of comment to a new shape entirely. When I have that selected, I'll just press F2 again and I select the border. I'll come to my shape. I've simply inserted this shape on the quick access toolbar. In next series or earlier or more series to come, I'll show you how to add this shape to the quick access toolbar. So let's just select any shape. Select this. You see, boom. I think that is the type of shape I use. Look like a different type. You see. So when I hover my mouse over that, you see this. Hello, this is a new product. So that's how to do that type of comment. So we've done the old sticky notes, the shape. Now let's do the picture types of comments. So I'll just select any cell again, and I'll Shift F2 to simply add the comments. And I'll select the border. I'll right click, format comments. So this time around we'll come towards colors and sliders, then we'll come to more fill effects. You see, then we'll come to pictures. You select picture from my computer. I'll also work offline. I'm not connected to the internet. So I'll select a picture from my local computer. Let me just select any picture. Let me just select this. But I'll insert that. You can see the picture. I'll insert it I don't want any no line. Boom, see the picture is inserted. You can even change the shape of this picture also by selecting the border. I'll just come back here, change shape. Let us just choose a circular shape. You see, so that's how to do that also. So that's how to do 3 types of comment: the normal sticky notes, the shape, and the picture types of comments. So let's go back to this conversation types of comment, which is really, I think, is only available in Office 365, but this my version of Excel is Office 365, a cloud-based version of Excel. So when you want to insert this type of comment, you just select the cell and come to new comment here. When you come to new comment, you see I have just like start a conversation. So I could chat with this customer. Hello, kindly, maybe I just want to ask how many orders did you place? So when I send that, you see, so he has the option to reply to me at his end over there. So when you reply, I'll just reply. Let's say, oh, hi, I ordered 20. So when you reply, I have the option to also work. So the conversation continues just like you want a normal chat, a normal social media chat or something. So those are the great feature of comments in Excel. So I believe this tutorial was helpful. If it was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you can know when I drop new content again when you turn on the notification on the bell. So thanks for watching. My name remains Abatan Sheriffdeen of Excel Island, and I'll see you in my next video.